Hi guys, it's Colette, and for day 10 of my 12 Days of Christmas nail art, we're going to be working on this Shattered Gems water marble. If you'd like to see the rest of the series, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. I'm using Ready for Takeoff, which is a peel-off base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors that we're going to be using today are from Colors by Llarowe. You might recognize them from yesterday's design. We have Healing Waters as the blue. We have Tree of Lights as the green. We have Santa Baby as the red. And we have Sparkling Diamonds, which is the silver. I'm going to be using Sparkling Diamonds as my base color, and then I'm going to be protecting around my nails using Simply Peel and tape. As usual for a water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once your bullseye is built, you can go ahead and draw down to the top, or down to the bottom, and up to the top. We'll stretch out the bullseye a little bit. Then we're going to go from one side to the other, not quite as tight as when we were drawing in our stripes, but we're going to be drawing in some fairly narrow chevrons. This design is pretty wide, so I'm actually going to go ahead and dip 3 nails. I'm going to just turn it a bit so I can get a little bit of a better angle. Actually, I think I want to go in this way. Last minute decisions. Line them all up in there. Check where they are in relation to the design. Then go ahead and dip in. With your orange stick, go ahead and clean up that excess polish so it doesn't stick onto your design. And once the surface is clear, go ahead and slowly pull out. And there's your water marble. I'm going to go ahead and remove the protection while the polish is still wet. Just go ahead and grab one of the edges with a tweezer, pull it off. May or may not come off together. It's one of the downsides of using this combination, but overall I still do prefer it. And then I'm going to go ahead and finish marbling my other nails. Once you've finished cleaning up, be sure to press any bubbles flat. Then we're going to be finishing with the top coat. And as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. The plan that I had when I was thinking of using the OPI color paints was completely different, and I'm so glad that I changed the polishes because it netted me this water marble. I kind of wanted to use the silver in the water marble since it was showing up in the Shattered Gems design that I did yesterday, but it just wasn't kind of working out, so it had to stick as only the base color. If you'd like to see that testing that was on Twitch, it will be up here on YouTube tomorrow. I know there have been a ton of uploads with all the testing and all the extended tutorials, so I hope I'm not burning you guys out because days 11 and 12 are definitely the grand finale of the series. I'm really looking forward to it. I hope you guys are too. I'd love to hear what you think of this one down in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching.